Risk management tips for investors like you. Are you new to investing? Well, number one, always read everything. Your lawyer, your broker, someone puts a document in front of you. You trust these people, and you should, but read it for yourself. Get an understanding. Don't be afraid to ask questions. A lot of times people get into situations because they're afraid to sound stupid or be too naive. Asking questions is the way I learned almost every aspect of investing. It's the way I learned everything about doing business. So number one, always ask questions. Number two, get yourself out of the house, out of the office, and walk the block. If you own a property, walk the area, see what's happening locally. You should be doing this every 2 to 3 months. I don't care if you've owned a property for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. You should know what's going on in your market. You should know what's going on in your building. There are so many occasions where we've walked into a listing and our clients had no idea there was a bunch of trash inside. And the last broker, unfortunately, didn't take the time to acknowledge it and or tell the customer about it. So those are 2 ways that I would recommend mitigating some risk when you're investing and or holding an asset here in New York City.